Hi there, it's Drive-by DIY here. Just thought I'd do a quick video on this rear 12 volt socket. It's already out at the moment, so because this is probably a bit more informative to you when it's already out, so you can see what you're actually dealing with and how to get it out. It's not as straightforward as you think it is. It's a 2-wire connector, so you got obviously got an earth and a positive. So obviously to check that, you want something to be able to test it, like a multimeter or something like that. But to actually get it out, what you've got on here, you've got 2 tabs. You've got one there and one there, and that's what you've got to try and do. You've got to verify where they are to get them out, because unless you know, it's really hard to see down the back. So what you've got to do, you've got one slot there, and to actually get it out, you've got to line one of them up, then pull it out from one side, then turn it round and get the other one to line up with that to turn it round. So to start off, you've got to try and sort of put it in at an angle, and then sort of twist it like that, and then if you can see, the other one is now in line with it. That tab needs to be in there as well. I mean, a lot of time that tab's not there, so to put it in, and then that's actually in. So to get it out, you want to do the same thing. I'm going to take that out of the way. So, because you are doing it blind, where is it? See how hard it is. So you've got to try and put your finger down, see where it is. Right, so when you get the tab lined up, so I've got, there you go, there it is, and then that one's out, and then turn it all the way around if you can. It's difficult, so it's not far there. There you go, like that. And there it is. And to test the wiring, so to test whether it's that's the problem or the wiring's problem, I'm going to go and get my multimeter. Right then, so just to test it, there's the socket, got 12.5 volts, perfect, so we know that the socket's fine. So if it's not working, you know that you've got to get a new unit. If you haven't got 12 volts there, then go and check the fuse, and that's probably gone as well. If that hasn't gone, then you're going to have to go searching a bit more. But at the moment, we've got 12.5 volts, and normally that should be okay. So hopefully this helps you. Very similar to the front one as well, under the handbrake. So hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching.